Hey guys, what is up? I'm back with another video. It's me back, PanthaTrades. Okay, I'm here back, a new day, new life. Okay, I've gained more knowledge and skills. Okay, grinding on my life. Yeah, in this video we'll be discussing more basically Bitcoin's update. Okay, I'm going to be updating you guys on Bitcoin's price and going to do some chart analysis as well for you to plan your next trade. So let's get back to it. So guys, I've made around 1.2k in profit. Okay, if you can see here, right over here I made over 1.1k in profit. Sorry for the mistake, but I made around $1,100. okay, just for rounding up my figures. Okay, and I can see here I had made huge losses as well. I had lost 16k, okay, during this bear market right over here. If you can see here, Bitcoin has been showing the major support. Okay, so basically I've been using this indicator. It's called a pivots high low analysis and forecast Lux algo. Okay, so basically this is where the algorithm, okay, takes place. Okay, it's basically on the 20-day analysis. Okay, and we can see right over here I have drawn a few lines. Okay, basically this is generated by the algorithm. Basically right over here, this is the resistance level and this is the support level right over here. These are some major, okay, if the algorithm has predicted, okay, we can expect Bitcoin to be showing some movements as well, because I have seen here Bitcoin has been showing, okay, basically the prices have been moving on the support level over here. Okay, it's not very accurate, but I think, like, according to my percentages, I can say it's around 90% accurate. Okay, because if you can see right here, it has been showing, okay, the movements are quite familiar and quite direct. Okay, as we can see right over here, and it has been the bear market has been taken place, okay, right over here as we speak, and over here as well. Okay, so mostly Bitcoin has been showing a bearish signal for the past few weeks, and we can expect Bitcoin to cover up, okay, for these losses. Like the crypto investors, right, we cannot lose the crypto market, okay, because Bitcoin is the future. Okay, so we can see right over here Bitcoin has been showing, okay, some few changes, okay, in the market, as we can see right over here. Let me just use the mouse tool. Give me a second. Yeah, so basically Bitcoin has been showing, okay, this is on the 4-hour time frame chart basically. So hope you mind the setting. And yeah, so Bitcoin, these are some lines to note down. If you mind, do you mind noting it down? It's no problem at all. Okay, so basically this is the resistance and support level generated by the algorithm. Okay, and these are my support and resistance levels which I have note down, or basically taken down or taken note of. Okay, so if you can see here, there's a lot of volume, okay, going for the bearish market. Let me just scroll down a little bit. Yeah, so Bitcoin has been moving. Okay, I have drawn the support and resistance line to show some basically swing changes, okay, like super fast changes, okay, fluctuations in between these lines. Okay, these are some minor changes, okay, or we can say in the support and resistance level change. Okay, so mostly traders, what they do is that they start at the support level, or they buy at the support level, which is right over here, the green line, which is right over here, and then they sell it, they create demand, okay, at the resistance level right over here. Okay, so they create support, they create supply at the resistance level, and they create demand at the support level. Okay, sorry for the slight mistakes. Okay, I'm kind of nervous as well, but I'll do my best, okay, to explain you guys. Okay, I'm not going to give up so easily. And these yellow lines, okay, indicate this minor resistance and minor support levels. Okay, so these are where mostly the price fluctuates, okay, in between the major support and resistance levels. Okay, so you can expect Bitcoin to fall in between. I'm just waiting, okay, for Bitcoin to reach these two levels. Okay, because once Bitcoin hits these two levels, it's going to be accurate. Okay, the market is going to be accurate, like to my strategic. Okay, like I have made a strategy, okay, of trading. Okay, so basically every person has a different trading strategy. Okay, it always suits you. Okay, so I have seen mine is much more performed well. Okay, my capital has performed well, okay, investing in these two minor support and resistance levels. Okay, so yeah, now let me just show you the volume trades. Okay guys, so if you can see right over here, this is much more information provided. Okay, so let us just go through it. Okay, so basically if you have seen on the long term, okay, Bitcoin has been moving uptrend. Okay, and it has been moving downtrend. Basically it has shown a major crash, okay, since its last hit, okay, or basically at the topmost pricing at around 69k, and right now today it has been showing around 0.29%, okay, in an upward movement, basically slight bull signal. Okay, and in all the 5 years, okay, basically it has moved around 254.57%, okay, basically 255%, okay. So that's a great signal, okay. So we can expect, okay, because the community is legit, right? Bitcoin's community has been built, okay, and this is one of the most mature crypto tokens which you have seen in the market. We can expect Bitcoin to move even further up, okay. And in the all time, we have seen Bitcoin has moved around 243,799%, okay. Basically 800%, okay, 243,800%, okay, just to have a round figure. And the market cap is basically 515.668 billion US dollars, okay. And so this is the market cap right now, and there's a circulating supply of 19.397 million. So Bitcoin is widely diffused, okay. Bitcoin is widely used, and it is basically communized, okay. Basically it has more it's much more matured, okay, than the other altcoins which are present in the market, okay. So since Bitcoin is one of the most mature pieces of digital assets, we can expect Bitcoin to move further, okay. We cannot give up so easily because Bitcoin has been showing, okay, a much more interest by the investors, and it is built, okay, it is built for a purpose, okay, for serving as of digital investment, just to be like a representation, okay, not just a representation, but we can say basically a cover up for the paper assets, okay, that we speak, like basically fiat currency, okay. So Bitcoin has been showing a major outrun on the USD pair, BTC USD pair, which we can understand that Bitcoin has been showing a better pricing over USD, okay, basically the exchange offer. So yeah, this is my update on Bitcoin, and this is just basic info on the Bitcoin, okay. It was made by Satoshi Nakamoto, and we'll be checking basically the white paper in another video so that we can understand the market even further, right? Because white papers are important, okay, to understand. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep grinding, hustle, okay, keep making your businesses, whatever it is, keep grinding, do not stop, be grateful to God, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.